Here is part 2 of the air conditioner heaven in Hallandale. There's a train, like a ream. That looks like a brand new Emerstar right there. There's a train XR. Let me go take a look at that great ductless speed split. Here's the greed that I'm talking about. A piece of junk. It's running too. It's really quiet though. That fan is smooth. This is a 13,000 BTU. I don't believe this. This one's from 2016. So 1.5 ton Gree from 2016. All right, this is a closer look at the units right over there. Train XR. That's the Comfort Star. A carrier and a train. There's some more units all the way over there. Looks like they created a hard job working on these units. There's an American Standard all the way over there. Trains, more and train units. Alright. The units behind it. There's a ream right over here. But I'm not getting close to look at it, obviously. You know what? It looks like a brand new unit. Recently new. Alright, that one's from 2018. That's a 3.5 ton. That's a funny sign right there. But yeah, as you can see, there's a carrier train. I've never seen a carrier that black before. Look at that. Pretty rare and nice. It's an American Standard. Goodman. That looks like a new Goodman to me. Oh, there's another unit right there. But yeah, I love filming units and beaches. So yeah. Okay guys, here's a unit I've actually seen on YouTube before. I was hoping to get one of these, and these are National Comfort products. This is like the same thing as Stamped Octagon filmed. Productions filmed. And there's a unit's right over here. That ream is silver. This is a silver. Looks like they painted a ream. This one's from 2018. That's a 5 ton. This one's an airflow. That's not been running actually. Alright, 2014, also a 5 ton. Alright. Well. But yeah, these are National Comfort products that Stamped Octagon Productions like that filmed. But I've actually finally get to see one. Alright, so this might be an apartment complex. But they got air conditioners covered up by bushes anyways. I'm gonna have to make this quick though. I'm not trying to get caught though. 2011, 3.5 ton. Alright, let's check more. There's an ICP right there. Oh, there's a York. There's a York right there. Oh, there's a carrier. Look at that. Carrier Performance. I am very surprised to see that. Oh my god, I can't wait to film that. Might be a route or something. Oh my god, this is so awesome. This is very exciting. Oh my god, dude, I can't wait to film that. But would I ever get caught for something? This is a performance series. Best thing ever made. 2016 2 ton. There's a carrier. Alright, this is awesome. So yeah, there's a Friedrich right here. Friedrich chill. Looks like it was just running. There was condensate dripping. There's another Friedrich that's loud as hell. That's a GE and that unit. I'm not sure. There's another one right there. some roots right over there, but I'm not gonna get into it though. So yeah, and there's another unit all the way over there. Looks like a big unit. It's a Train XL right over there. I hate those design, but I can't go into it. There's like a person that was just walk by, but all right, here we have 2 American Standard units right here. Head up house. Sounds really quiet. But all right, that one's the American Standard Silver Series from 2016. And that's a 3-ton. This one is a Allegiance 14 from 2006. And that's a 3-ton as well. That one's really quiet though. It's awesome. Alright. Here we have the Bryant and the Goodman. Can't get to the data sheets. That Goodman has a reciprocating and that Bryant has an LG. It's really noisy. Alright. See you guys next time. There's a piece of junk Fetters window unit right there. And then the Kenmore. And there's an Aircon ductless mini split right over there. It's running. It's really quiet though, but yeah. I'm gonna get a closer look at them. But oh wait, you know what? I can't. There's a security camera. Damn it. That Kenmore's loud though. That Fetters ain't running. Oh wait, it is. It's just the fan is on. That's just really loud on that.